Good morning traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Welcome to today's update. So we're just looking at Bitcoin daily at the moment. We can see a very strong gap at the start of the week. It's nearly a 3.5% move higher. This next level up here, talking the that 10,290 point to the 10,000 point. That's where we're looking to see how buyers go once they reach that level. A new close above 10,000 is pretty significant for Bitcoin. Sometimes markets like to fill these gaps. We'll just have to see how the day progresses. But there's still a bucket load of demand in Bitcoin, and we can just see that from back on a few days ago on this bar here, which was on the 5th. This massive statement bar breaking above that previous high, and then propelling it's still propelling the price higher. So since that bar we've seen close to 10%. So amazing figures in Bitcoin as usual. Never ceases to amaze me in the type of movements it can do. You're talking about 10% a few days of trade. We're not sure on the drivers right now. It was sort of acting like a safe haven, but at the moment, I'm not too sure if that's still the case. It has rallied when risk markets have been moving higher, so there may be something underlying that's driving the buy momentum, or it may be just being seen as another safe haven, and it's just helping fuel the fire when risk markets are coming off. So we can only classify that because just looking at some of the risk markets on Friday, we can just see some of the selling that was seen. Now the Aussie dipped below basically the low that was set back in 2nd of October last year. It's a very significant move, traders. So we've basically seen since it put in that high back on the 31st of the 12th last year. We've now seen the Aussie come off by just over 5%. That's quite a fall from grace, basically, when we were up there testing 70 again, and now we're back back below that 67 points. So the only thing with this bar at the moment is we're wondering if it's an exhaustion. But if this rally gets faded and pushed lower, really anything's really possible, isn't it? We could see a move back to test 65 cents. So a lot will come down to this bar here. If this fails, and then we just get a continuation lower ongoing. So the non-farm payrolls coming out Friday as well. We saw Canadian employment beat expectations in the job creation and in the unemployment data. Now the US is a little bit mixed. Average earnings came in lower than expected, and we also saw the payroll figure come in higher than expected. So there was more creation than expected, but unemployment rose to 3.6%. Now, weaker oil price, which you can see here, it helped drive the dollar CAD. So the dollar CAD ended up moving higher. It did come off a little bit at this point here, so still sort of stuck in this consolidation point for now. And this is the main resistance that we're keeping an eye on at the moment. So that's anything from that 33.10 to 33 point. So we're looking, you really want to see buyers break above that and close above it to really signify that there is a bit more further to go. It is quite extended, this trend at the moment, so it wouldn't surprise me if we did see a bit of a pullback. We'd be looking for support to come in around here. Now, the euro and the pound, the euros continued to move lower. We consolidated a break at that low here. It was a good, strong selling again on Friday, and the same thing is happening on the pound, but slightly lower in volatility at the moment. We did see that break and close below that low, so that's the next level of support. We'll be looking to come in if down to this level here if selling continues. And just today so far, stocks are still trading lower after Friday's declines. We can see the ASX200 CFD started with a bit of a rally, but we've now fell away and we're currently trading at 0.39% lower. The news today coming out around midday is Chinese CPI. Under the circumstances at the moment with what's happening in China, I think a lot of market analysts and traders alike will be keeping a closer eye on Chinese data just to get a bit of an idea, and this will be going forward as well, to see how much of an impact the coronavirus is having on the local Chinese economy. So keep an eye out for that around midday. So that's it for now. Hope you have a fantastic trading week, and enjoy the rest of your trading day, and bye for now.